Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen me before, my name is Nicole Ogden and I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on a half cut crease on this look that I did right here. Very light, very subtle, and I want to apologize in advance for the lighting. I know the lighting absolutely sucks. That's because I have only the light behind me working, and it's also nighttime because I'm a procrastinator and I was supposed to film this earlier and I waited till now. So if you want to see this look, just keep watching. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I used this palette in my last video and I'm going to keep it on the lighter side, so I'm not going to be using too much dark colors. I did already put this fourth to the left, if you're looking at it straight on, this fourth to the left, light brown at the top on my crease, and I put it like a little above my crease and kind of fan it out with my fluffy brush. But I'm not done with it, so we will continue. Apparently my camera wasn't recording, so fail. Let's just get started, shall we? So I'm going to keep going in with my crease color and just do small circles and kind of like pull it out a little past your eye, kind of diagonal where the end of your eye and your eyebrow will meet. So like pull it out right until there. So now I'm going to go into on the second row next to the yellowish color. I'm going to go into that brown right there, and I'm still going to keep this on the lighter side of a look, so I don't want it to be too dramatic, but we're going to do like a half cut crease, so it will pull together. And now I'm going to be using a line, my Morphe M330 brush. I don't know how all these girls like, oh yeah, this is my Morphe M35 and that, like, I don't have these things memorized. It's just this one, the one with the point. And we're gonna take that color and put it in the same spot, and then we're doing something different than like a traditional smoke. Almost done. With this smoky eye, you keep your darker colors in this little V section right here, but because we're going to do the half cut crease, we're going to pull some color all the way to the inside of the eye right here. And so that's like a little something different than a normal smoky eye. So this is what we have so far. I'm liking it. I like that it's very light, very like fresh, if you will. Now I'm gonna go in on the third row. It's gonna be the second from the right round. And then we're gonna use the smaller brush because this is going to be our darkest color. So you guys can see, we're going to use the Morphe M321 brush. Clean that sucker off a little. Okay, anyway, so this is going to be our darkest color, and we don't want it to be too dark because we're trying to be really light with this look. So I'm going to take it where you normally would with the smoky eye, and we're going to do like just that outer V. So we're going to lightly take it and smudge, do little circles, and then we can use a blending brush to actually blend this in. So we're not only are we going to take it on the outer corner, but we're going to take it on the inner corner as well. Okay, so just in the inner corner and the outer corner very lightly, and then take my blending brush, Morphe M433, and we're gonna blend it, all our little colors together. Now that I did that, I'm going to do the other eye, and I'm going to speed this process up so this video won't be a million years long. And yeah, so since I just did the other eye the same, and those were our darkest colors, so this is as dark as the look is going to get. We're going to do our half cut crease now, and what I'm going to do for that is just grab some concealer. We'll use this one. Alright, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25 Hours Breathable Concealer. Big name. Use the color Fair. So I'm going to turn your way. I'm just using a flat brush. This one I got at Walmart. So I can't really tell you what type of brush or anything. It's the Eco Beauty Muse brushes. Oh. Okay. So push that concealer out because apparently I'm almost out. So for the half cut crease, it's kind of the same as the full cut crease, but only you're not going all the way. Look up, move around. There's our little line. Now, you can do half cut creases wider. Hopefully you can see me. You can do them like wider, you can do them thinner. And this does not need to be perfect on the sides by any means. Just get the top line relatively okay. Alright, and now that's it, ladies and gents. So now I'm gonna go and do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I just did my other eye. I know it looks a little like janky and crazy at the moment, but that's okay because it will all come together in the end. And that's all that matters. So I'm going to, for the color for my half cut crease lid, I'm going to be using the Morphe metallic eyeshadows, and this came in a pack of 3. I got this at Ulta, and very, very pretty colors, but we're going to be using the color Days. And then we want to get in towards the crease. Alright, here we go. Say a little prayer for you. How clean that line on top doesn't really matter yet because we're going to go back in with our dark color with a really small brush and clean that up. Now that I've done the other eye, I'm going to go back in with the darker colors and blend these harsh lines that we have going on here. First, I'm going to take, I'll take my smallest brush again, the last one we originally used, but I'm not going into the darkest color first. I'm going to be going into the second darkest color that we did. And why I do this, I don't know, but I always never go in with the darkest color first because just in case we've lost some of that blend from the cut crease, I want to put it back in. If that makes sense. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap out these little lines. Tap, 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 tap. Small back and forth movements. Right, now I'm going to go back in with the darkest color. I'm going to start on the outside of my eye over here and first not worry at all about the cut crease and start slowly dragging it in. Alright, what I do now is I'm going to take, I like to call this a lipstick brush because, lack of a better word. So I'm going to take that little pointed brush, and this is where I go and clean up the top part of my cut crease. Okay, so I'll be right back when this eye is done. Alright. Okay, you guys, so now that this eye is done, I still haven't decided whether or not I want to put glitter on the top of my crease. I'm kind of thinking no, because I want to do this more of a everyday look, if you will. But I'll tell you how you can add glitter just in case you want to do that. But for now, I'm going to do a highlight on my brow bone, and then we will do the bottom lid, bottom lid, and then put on lashes, and I'll show you how well that goes. So just typical highlight brow bone. I'm going to use the, on the Jaclyn Hill palette, the second from the left color as a highlight. Just go ever so slightly under my brow bone. Right, now I'm gonna start with the bottom lash line. I'm gonna just take his smallest brush, not the lipstick brush, but the Morphe brush, and just kind of go in with our second darkest color. I don't want the bottom lid to be too dark, so I'm gonna stick to only like maybe even one color. I don't know, we'll see. Let's find out. See, I don't know. Now I'm gonna take the second row, third from the left, brown, and I'm just going to take my little lipstick brush and go along my bottom lash line. Take the Morphe liquid eyeshadow, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to put it, line it up with the cut crease on my bottom lash line. I've never done this, and I'm going to do it with that little lipstick brush so we can be very, very precise. Okay, now that we cry sparkles, am I happy with this? I don't know if I'm happy. You know what I think? You know what? I know what. So I'm very spastic, guys. But I just thought of something to give it a double up. No? You don't know what song I'm talking about? Alright. That's fine. We can still be friends, I guess. Alright, I've never used this color and I'm kind of scared. But this is the Pop-In glitter from... Ooh, and yes, it is very poppin'. But okay, so I'm gonna try to use this on the inner corner of my eye. Just give it a... Wait. Okay. Nope, okay. Nope, just ignore me. Weirdo. Just trying to play. Okay, so we're gonna give this on the outer corner of my, inner corner of my eye, just to give it a little... And you guys probably can't see any of it because, let's face it, it's nighttime and I choose the worst time to film. But it's there. That's all that matters. It's like the thought that counts. It doesn't matter if you can't see it because it's there. You get what I mean? I put my eyelashes on and I curled them with my normal eyelashes. My own eyelashes. Now I'm going to use my mascara which there's not a lot left, but I'm going to put some on. I have a fuzz in my eyelash. I'm blind as bat. I don't even know if I got it. We'll just pretend like I did. And say we did, even if we didn't. I'll just be walking around with the massive fuzz on my eyelash. But it's good because, like, I ain't going nowhere. Dude, how do you not hear these noises? Like, I swear there's someone in my house. Sorry, I just heard, like, a noise from downstairs and, like, I had to go investigate. But my dog is still sitting there, like, on the couch, so hopefully there's someone in my house that she's just ignoring. And they're waiting to kill me. This is why I should never be home alone. I freak out. Oh, go back to mascara. I always almost forget my bottom lid. Roxy, you scared me. She just like shook herself, and oh, it shook me to the soul. Roxy, are you guarding the house? Nobody's here? No one's gonna kill Mama? Right. My baby's calling me. So that means I have to answer it. Sorry about that, guys. So when your man calls, you gotta answer, you know? So I just did the bottom lashes, put on some lipstick, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys can see it. This is my half cut crease, and if you like this look and like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and if you want to see any other looks, just let me know. I may not be able to do them, but I'll sure as hell try, and you'll have fun watching me make a fool of myself and try. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.